Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to the design track in Tech Innovation 2020. I'm Mark, the Executive Director of Design Singapore Council, and thank you IPI for inviting us back again to the Tech Innovation Conference. This year's theme is about catalyzing innovation with design. But can design actually be a catalyst for innovation? And what exactly does design mean? Well, a study by the Design Management Institute in 2016 shown that design-led companies deliver on average more than 200% returns over the S&P 500 than non-design-led companies. So what exactly are these design-led companies doing differently? And again, what does design mean? Well, as Steve Jobs put it aptly, design is more than just making things look pretty. It's actually about making things work. And in fact, it is a key to problem solving and innovating. This process is now known as design thinking. Design-led companies use design to create value and unlock innovation and opportunities. And for successful innovation and transformation to take place, you need these three elements to be in place. First, technological feasibility. Second, business viability. And third, market desirability. A good design-led process enables an organization to bring these three elements together in order for innovation to take place. And this process also needs to be underpinned by great empathy for your user needs and the experience with your product, service, or experience. Well, actually now here's a great example of how a company leveraged design to propel innovation in Nike. Nike has actually completely reinvented its shoe manufacturing process. And rather than setting out to design a new shoe, the company designed a new way to conceptualize the manufacturing of an athletic shoe itself. Nike's designers pioneered the new Nike Flyknit technology to deliver a peak performance shoe for athletes in a sustainable way. It actually took them 195 tries using the reinvented manufacturing process before the Flyknit racer was actually born. And it was a shoe that was more environmentally friendly and reduced wastage by some 80% as compared to other traditional Nike footwear. Such is the power of using design and design thinking, where you start with how you can make your products or services better for your customers, and then balancing that out with technological and business viability. And this is also what we at Design Singapore strive to do, and that is helping businesses adopt design and design thinking as a key enabler for them to drive profitable and desirable human-centered innovation. Design Singapore is actually the national agency for design in Singapore. Our vision is to help Singapore become an innovation-driven economy and a lovable city by design by 2025. And we are constantly working closely with the industry, design consultants, and both public and private sector to help drive business transformation through the use of design. Recognizing the importance of design and technological innovation, our partner IPI invited us to helm an inaugural design track at last year's Tech Innovation Conference. And this session was very well received by the tech community, and we invited prominent design professionals and practitioners to share. And this year we are bringing you two plenaries, one on sustainability and the other on smart and livable cities. Each plenary is anchored by three prominent speakers, pioneers in their own fields in the space of design and innovation, and we are honored to have them grace today's session. We've also added two new segments in this year's design track, the Design Runway and the Design Think Tank. And much like IPI's crowd pitching and crowdsourcing, but for designers and for solutions primed at using design. So we hope you'll have a fruitful session of great takeaways on the value of design and its role in catalyzing innovation. And once again, I'd like to thank all the speakers who have graciously offered their time and effort in making this design track come to life, and I'm sure it will be an inspiring and illuminating one. And with that, thank you.